This is under the cabinet vent made by Everbuilt. Right here. Now this, you buy a female 1.5-inch thread adapter right here, and it screws right in. And then this hooks to your 1.5-inch PVC. And I'll show you what it looks like when we do this. I already marked it, as you see. Let me prep this. I'll show you what I do next. This is how it should look when you do your primer, even on the top edges. That way you're sure it's 100%. That's the way it should look. As well as this. One end done, the other end not done. About to do it. Here's our 1.25-inch receiver for the P-trap. It goes into our T. I will show you. Stay tuned, folks. Okay, now we're going to glue this up right here. Right there you have it. Glue right up. Yes. Here's your top female 1.5-inch thread-in connection for your under the cabinet vent. Let me take the wrapper off so you can see it. Okay, this is what this under the cabinet vent looks like. It can suck in, but not. That's what it's made for. Okay, the purple's on it. It's cleaned. It's all ready, Freddy. All nice and glued up. And then we put it on. And there it is up in there. That's the vent. And there's that one. Let's finish this. Hook these two up, hook it into here. I'll show you how it's done. Right here. Push it over into here. We gotta get our nut for here. Right here we are. Here we are. So we just push this back a little until it's comfortable. With this. We wiggle it around and put it right where we need it. Right here. Wherever it's comfortable. Right there's comfortable. Right there. Now we just spin this on. Okay, folks, this is how it should look when it's done. Now I gotta hook up the hot and cold water lines right here. Let's do that next. Hey everybody, I filled up the sink. Don't mind my orange pull. I filled up the sink. And I didn't hook the water lines yet, but I filled up the sink. As we see, it's dry under here. Everything's dry. I'm about to do it. Let's do it. Wow, you hear that go down? It's because that under cabinet vent. Look at this, nice and dry. That's some good stuff right there. There you have it, folks. Under cabinet venting. P-trap, 1.25 under the cabinet sink. Let me hook the water lines real quick for you. There you have it, folks. The water lines are hooked up. Let me turn this on. Just did. Turn that on. Just did. Nice, nice hot water. That's right. Yeah. There you have it, folks. Complete hookup for your sink and vanity. Hot and cold water, P-trap, under cabinet vent. Till next time, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks. God bless.